Alright, boys and girls, what we're going to do today is I am going to walk you through opening a combination lock because I know that all of you have questions about opening it. So the first thing you'll see is that I wrote the code on the back. So these are the 3 numbers that I need to open this lock. So what I'm going to do to help me out is I am going to write it on a sheet of paper, a little post-it note, so I don't have to keep flipping my lock over to see the number, okay? So, the numbers only go from 0 to 39. So if you look at it, it'll start from 0, and it'll go all the way until it goes to 39, then it'll start back at 0, okay? And then to open these are pretty much the same for all locks. When I say move it to the right or turn to the right, this is the way I want you to go because it's going clockwise. If it says go to the left, you will go this way, which is counterclockwise. Okay? So what we're going to do to start it off is go to 0, but you're going to go to the right. Okay? Meaning this way. Okay? And so, to clear it out, to clear all the numbers out, we will turn it to the right 3 times. And then we will stop on our first number, which is 27. So we'll go to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll go straight to 27. So be careful because you have to stop right at 27, which is right there. Okay? And then, to do the next number, which is 5, you will turn to the left, which is the opposite way. It's counterclockwise, past the first number. So I have to pass 27, and then stop on number 5. Okay, so I'm going to turn to the left. I can't stop on 5 right now because I haven't passed 27. So let me pass 27. So I've passed it, and then I'll stop at 5, right there. Okay, so I got to the second number. And then for the third number, 27, I have to go back to 27, but I have to turn it to the right, which means clockwise. When I turn it to the right, I will stop straight at 27. I don't have to pass it again. I don't have to pass 5. I will stop straight at 27, which is right there. And what should happen is if you pull this up, it'll open. Okay? So for this video right here, you may need to watch it a couple times to get the hang of it. And I'm also going to share with you a digital version on how you can open up a combination lock. But if you have one of these at home, they're just a couple bucks that you can get from like Walmart, places like that. If you have one, or if you have an older sibling that can help you out, please use them to your advantage. Okay, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you out. All right, I have another lock to share with you guys, and this code is a little bit different, and you have to realize that not all the numbers are numbered here, right? And so in order to get to 36, it's the one after 35, right? In order to get to 14, it's going to be the one right in front of 15. And then same for 37, it's going to be 2 past 35. And you have to be pretty precise when you try to open the lock, okay? So I'm going to clear out the numbers. I'm going to turn it to the right clockwise a couple of times. It doesn't have to be exactly 3. It can be more than 3. It can be 10 times. It can be 15, okay? And then I'm going to stop at 36. 36, right there. Then I'm going to turn left, which is that way. Past 36. I can't stop at 14 yet, so I'm going to pass 36 right now and stop at 14 right there. Okay, so I got the second number. Then I am going to go to 37 by going to the right, which means this way, clockwise. Okay, so go straight to 37, which is right there. Okay, and that's the last number, and what should happen is, boom, it opens up. Okay, if it doesn't open up, and you're like, oh, I did all the numbers, I don't know what's wrong, it's not working, that means either you missed a number, you went past it and tried to go back, Or at the beginning, you didn't clear out all the numbers, meaning you didn't turn it to the right enough. Okay? So for this video, you might need to slow it down. You might need to slow-mo it so you can work with it. But let me know if you have any questions.